Hi, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. So if you're not a Glowforge Prime user, you might not be aware of this, but Prime gives you the access to a bunch of free projects. So we're going to do a couple of the free projects and see if they're really worth paying for Prime. I'm on there because I like the fast lane. My internet here is horrible, so I know that my internet issues are on my end and not on the Glowforge end. And because it's a big part of my business, I think the express lane is worth it. The first project we're going to take on from the Glowforge free section, because I'm working on making my apartment less bachelor, we're making something for the dining room table, because the dining room table is where we're starting our project at. We're going to work on making the fit together wonky bowl project. And I think it looks really cool. I've been looking at this since I got my Glowforge 18 months ago. And I finally decided to pull the trigger and make this project now, and attempts to make the apartment a little, like I said, a little more female friendly. So it is freezing because literally it's like 37 degrees out. It was 70 last week. It snowed yesterday. Gotta love spring in Western New York. We have our Starbond accelerator spray. And I'm going to be using Starbond medium thick viscosity glue. I might switch to the heavy viscosity, and I don't know that I'm going to be using the accelerator spray as it sets up really fast. And I don't know that I want that because of the nerve damage on my right side of my body from cancer treatments. My arm shakes, and I don't know that I can set these in place quick enough for the accelerator spray not to get messed up, or not to mess me up. So I'm bringing the camera up, show you my table that I'm working on, and we'll see how the bowl looks when we're finished. Yes, there's a little bit of smoking on some of the pieces, but I think that'll look okay once I put some stuff in the bowl. Alright, let's see how this comes out. Alright, so we have our base piece out of this pile. And the directions say to take pieces from each pile and alternate them. And all I'm doing is lining up on the score marks on the piece below it. And I didn't check my glue to see if it was free. Yep, I can hear the air moving, so we're good to go. So we're going to put a couple dots of glue here. Now it doesn't take a lot because we're not trying to make it watertight. We're just trying to hold the wood together. And we'll line up. So piece 1 came from here, piece 2. Grab piece 3 here. I think the worst part is getting the pieces apart. So we're going to line up and see if we're got to twist it. And there we go. The score lines line up. No, they don't. There we go. Score lines line up, so we're going to put the dots of glue in. I love the tips that they have, and there's actually a separate tip that's actually a little bit more accurate for dispensing a small amount of glue. And you get them free when you buy the glue and the kit. I don't know if you get it free with every bottle, but I know if you buy the kit where it comes with 3 different glues and an accelerator, it comes in there. Alright, so now we take a piece from the other side and just keep stacking. Alright, so I applied some accelerator spray to help hold it in place. So I'm going to let this rest for a second, let the accelerator spray evaporate, and then we'll get back to it. I think it's worth being extra careful in using the accelerator spray as I go. because it's just slipping and sliding with the glue on there. Well, there we go. Not too shabby. Smaller than I thought it was going to be. The height is nice. Definitely going to go on the dining room table. Not exactly sure what we're going to use it for, but it will be there. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this project. So let me know what you think of this project. I think it's pretty cool. I think it'll definitely be a little nice touch to the dining room table. Accelerator spray worked great. I ended up using it about halfway through on every layer. And the Titebond medium grade did well. I don't think I really needed the thicker viscosity. This one seemed to set up pretty well. I'm pretty sure Titebond would tell me that freezing temperatures are near freezing. I'm pretty sure it's about 5 degrees colder here inside the barn with all the concrete. It's not the ideal setting, but it still worked, still did its job, and it still looks awesome and phenomenal. Alright guys, we'll throw some beauty shots up here in the corners for you. Remember, have fun, laser on. Go try a free project from the Glowforge. Consider signing up for the Glowforge Premium. And if you haven't bought a Glowforge yet, there's a link down below so you can go buy one with a discount. Enjoy your day. Alright, so if you're not aware of this, but Glowforge has free with Prime. And they also have paid projects you can buy if you're not going to Etsy or someplace else. And this is a great way to get started, especially with your proof grade materials. Yeah, the laser is booting up in the background in case you're wondering. So one of the Prime projects that I've been looking at, because I'm trying to make my house a little less bachelor, make it a little more, you know, dateable friendly, is a bowl for the table. So we're going to look at this one, and this is a free one with Prime. It's one I've been looking at since I started doing my lasering stuff, and I got my Glowforge. It's a very popular project. We've all seen it. So if you have Prime, there's prices crossed out, and you just hit open my design. And poof, pops right up the Glowforge window. And yep, that is my Glowforge all set up and ready to go. My cuts set, my scores are set, my scores are set. I actually don't have to do a thing. All the presets in the software, as long as you're using something with the QRL code, is already set up, which makes it really easy, and that's how I like my projects, is simple and easy. So how long will this take to do? If this is the only thing I'm going to do, which it's not, I'm obviously going to throw some more stuff on here because I'm not just playing and doing YouTube videos. I'm also, you know, running a business and getting ready for the farmer's market this summer. But if I'm just going to do this bowl project, because, you know, I want to have my apartment look, or my house look more girlfriend ready, 12 minutes and 50 seconds. So this isn't bad. I'm not going to stain this. I think I'm going to leave this as a natural wood. And let's see how this comes out. I'm going to throw some other stuff on the screen here. Probably some mason jar lids. Piggy bank mason jar lids. And we'll see how this comes out. Alright, I will see you. I've probably already talked to you guys and shown you how to assemble this. But this should be fun. Alright, I'll see you guys later.